The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Ford Fiesta Zetec means your car isn't receiving pressure data from one or more tire sensors. This error occurs in models from 2013 to 2023 and is often due to dead sensor batteries, which last 5 to 7 years. First, ensure your tires are inflated to the recommended PSI, usually 33 to 36 front and rear. Then, try a reset by driving at 25 to 30 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes to allow sensors to sync. If that doesn't work, use an OBD2 tool or Ford's IDS software for manual reset. Software glitches can cause false positives, but firmware updates have reduced these errors. If the reset procedure fails to resolve the Tyre Sensors Not Detected error, further diagnosis is required to identify the underlying issue. Common issues include faulty sensors, often due to dead batteries. Check for CR1632 type batteries in each wheel sensor. Another frequent problem is corroded valve stems, especially in wet climates. These can be replaced to restore proper sensor communication. Use an OBD2 scanner like ForScan to check for diagnostic trouble codes such as C1A00, which indicates a sensor malfunction. For sensor replacement, choose OEM parts over cheap aftermarket options to avoid compatibility issues. Expert mechanics recommend annual inspections, and many owners resolve these issues themselves without professional help. Looking ahead, battery-free sensors are emerging in newer models, potentially reducing future TPMS failures. By following these diagnostic steps, you can effectively resolve TPMS sensor issues in your Ford Fiesta Zetec.